Hey, so a lot, I should say a lot. I've been getting a variety of emails of people saying I can't watch the video. It's blocked. It tells me I don't have permission. So this is one of the things that you can end up doing. Now I sent you, a lot of times it's because you're logged out of Google. So normally when you log into your device, you automatically log into Google. You don't have to worry about it. So, but sometimes that doesn't work. I don't know why. Tech department has why that's the case. So there's something else that we can do. So here's what I would suggest that you do. Get to your math videos like normal. All right, bring it on up. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sort like usual. All right. So come over to teacher, go down to Sue Savage. That's there. Oops, can't get to it because that's in the way. All right. I'm gonna do a unit 3 here, and then let's say 6, and I'm going to click on 3.7. Let's just say this is the video I'm using. So typically what I tell you to do is to click on the globe here. All right. But if you're having trouble watching the video, here's what I suggest instead. Down here, you should see something that says original page. Okay. So we're going to click on original page. Now, the, the video loaded for me. All right. But look in the upper right hand corner over here. Sign in. All right. This is where I would click and I would go ahead and I would log in using your normal sign in information for your computer. If that's not working, all right, then I'm out of ideas for you. You're gonna have to check in with the tech department that's there. So you can, fill out one of those tickets. You go to that GMS Learn page. You can do that. I think we've also got it on your teams that are over here under tech tips. You might be able to find again, you're going to have to, or when you come in, you're going to have to check in with the tech department if that's the case. But again, there's a variety of things that you can end up doing regarding it. So we definitely want to make sure that we've gone through all of those particular things instead of just throwing your hands up in the air. But again, I stayed in Teams to get to that sign in. When I exit out of Teams, a lot of times I don't get that sign in that's there, and that's not always the case. So again, things to try, options. See what works for you guys.